The more kindness we offer to all living beings, the more we will be filled with gratitude. The more we are filled with gratitude, the more kindness we will want to offer. So it is a beautiful cycle of recognizing our own blessings and then extending those same blessings to all others without exception or discrimination. Gratitude seeks to be expressed through acts of kindness. How then can we continue to rationalize the torture and killing of 48 million turkeys, all in the name of giving thanks? It's time for a new tradition. Let's celebrate our blessings this year and every year thereafter by living and letting live. So we have all of these beautiful dishes for the ThanksLiving gathering. And I'm going to tell you first what I made, a raw vegan bread. It is based on sweet potato, onion, tomato, cilantro. The topping is carrot, shredded carrot, lemon, and cabbage. This is a spicy raw marinara. Spicy raw marinara, like a curry.
Zucchini noodles.
And it's zucchini noodles. These two platters here, this is Thai lettuce boats with a sweet Thai chili sauce. I made a cauliflower mashed potatoes over here, a mushroom marinara pate,